Hello kids, welcome to Coffee Institute, AI and Robotics for Kids, where learning is fun, exciting, and made just for kids. I'm S. A. Mahmood, your instructor and guide throughout this series. I have students from more than 20 countries learning the exact training on Udemy. I also teach one-to-one classes but only to 2 to 3 students a day so they get my full attention. Today, we are going to explore something amazing, the world of robotics. By the end of this video, you will know what robots are, how they work, how you can start building your own, and where to find the best learning resources. Have you ever seen a toy car move by itself? Or a robot in a movie that talks to people, helps them? That is robotics in action. Robotics is the science of making machines called robots that can do tasks for us. Robots can move from one place to another, talk or make sounds, sense what's around them, even make decisions. Some robots are small as toys, while others are huge machines in factories or even space. All robots, no matter how big or small, have three super important parts. Number one, sensors. Like eyes, ears, they help the robots to see, hear, and feel the world. Motors. Like muscles, they move robots' wheels, arms, and other parts. And number three, the computer brain, microcontroller. This is where the robots think. It uses the information from the sensors to decide what to do next. When all three work together, a robot can do something truly amazing. If you are thinking, I want to make a robot, here are some fun ways to start. Robotic kits for kids like Lego Mindstorm, Wax robotic kits. It's perfect for the beginners. Online courses on Udemy, Tinker, Scratch, and Create and Learn. Robotics clubs at your school or in your community. Workshops and campuses during holidays. Books and DIY projects to build small robots at home with safe tools. If you are going to use the DIY projects, please do it with the supervision of adults. You can even start with programmable toys. Robots are everywhere. They help in manufacturing, making cars, electronics, cloth, healthcare, assisting doctors during surgeries, space exploration like Mark rovers, ocean research, exploring deep underwater, agriculture, planting and harvesting crops, and so much more. Before we finish, here is how I teach robotics, coding, and creativity to kids, even to total beginners. We learn step by step, one small skill at a time. I use simple English so kids from anywhere in the world can follow along. Every lesson includes fun, hands-on projects, so kids are not just watching, they are creating. By the end, kids can confidently build and program their own robots. In my AI and Robotics for Kids series, students go on a complete journey. We start by learning some basic programs and skills for robotics, Canva for designing ideas and robot parts, Scratch by MIT to learn basic robotics programming, OpenToonz to create and understand robotic movements, Math for coders to learn the logic behind programming instructions for robots. Step 2. We build robots from paper and cardboard, safe, low cost and fun. In our step 3, we will use stronger material. We move to plastic and metal to make durable robots. In our step 4, 3D designing, we learn to design robot parts from 3D printing, understanding the basic architecture of robots. Step 5, programming. We start with Arduino and Scratch, then move to more advanced programming languages for older or experienced students. By the end, kids don't just understand what a robot is, they can build it, design it, and make it move and think as they wish. So now you know, robotics isn't just for scientists, it is for you too. You can start learning today, one small step at a time. If you want a complete step-by-step kids robotics course, check the description for Udemy links. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more fun learning videos.